Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Artemis Coder here. Today I'm going to show you a Python demo project in Sublime Text Editor. I was going to use VS Code, but it is just too complicated. Before starting the video, please make sure to like the video, share the video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any suggestions, drop them in the comment section. Without any further ado, let's get started. So basically I have created an Amazon price tracker. It is a simple tracker which will get the best deals on Amazon and give you a report with best matching product at the top. So let me show you a small demo. So here it is asking the question, which site would you like to go to? I'll press 0 as I want to go to Amazon UK. The next question is, what product are you searching for? You can use anything, but I'm going to use laptop for our demo. I'm going to only search for 10 products, but you can have more. Just remember the maximum number is 30. So now when I press enter, you can see Chrome is being fully automated. As you can see, it opens a private tab and searches for the product. Python will scrape the data by going through all the products. After Python is finished scanning, the file saves the data in a JSON file, which can be opened by Visual Studio Code. So let me open this. In the JSON file, we have all the data of the product including price, URL, product ID, seller and title. The best part of the product ID is that the product ID will always stay the same and you can get it whenever you want. Now let's go back to Sublime Text Editor. As you can see on line 1 of my code, I have added Selenium, which will help me to automate my script. I've also used XPath numbers, which is a string used to scrape data. I have added different currencies for various users to use. At the bottom of my script, I have added some price filters. I have also created an exception statement if there are any errors. In an exception statement, if the tracker cannot find the data, it will show an error. This happens when there are multiple sellers at Amazon selling the same product at different price ranges. This is a super cool project and shows us how Python can save you money and time, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for sticking around and please like, share and subscribe the video. Also turn on notification by pressing the bell icon so you don't miss a future video. I'll also upload a GitHub link soon. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep coding.